Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Devashish Mohanty. Today I am welcoming you all to do the discussion of the surface area and volume chapter. Actually today whatever the thing I am going to do the discussion, all will be useful for the standard 9 students as well as for the standard 10 students. So the discussing topic, it is our surface area and volume. So it means it may be surface area, otherwise it may be volume. All the thing we can find out only for our solid figure. So in this chapter, basically our discussion it will be on regarding the solid of, first one it is our cuboid, second one it will be our cube, next one it will be our cylinder, next one it will be our cone, and the last one it will be our sphere. So basically our discussion it will be on regarding only the 5 things. Okay, so first we will do the discussion on regarding our cuboid. Everyone see, actually cuboid in the another word it can be called it as our rectangular box. Why it is called as your rectangular box? So it means cuboid, you can see all the faces of the cuboid. It may be the base, otherwise it may be the top, it may be the front, it may be your back, otherwise it may be your left face, otherwise it may be your right face. All the faces are your rectangular face, for which we can call it as our rectangular box. Otherwise, in another way you have to remember, whenever rectangle, 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 all are of equal rectangle, we are making one stack. Equal rectangle, just like our biscuit, Parle-G biscuit. Suppose 3 Parle-G biscuit I am keeping stack over one another. So this one, it is the structure of our cuboid. Whenever we are making the stuff of the equal rectangle over one another, so that figure what we will obtain, that one it is also called as our cuboidal structure. Understood perfectly? So remember, whenever we are getting the cuboid, so it may be our brick, otherwise it may be our matchstick box. So whatever it may be our book also, rectangular book also. So remember, first I want to do the discussion on regarding its faces. So first everyone, you just have to see, here it is. See, here it is on which face it is standing, otherwise it is sitting, it is called as our base. So below one it is called as our base, and the top one, this one it is called as your top. And remember, base and top both are equal to one another. Its shape and its shape both are of equal. It is rectangle and it is also rectangle. Both the rectangles are of same shape and same size. And this one it is our side one. Here it is suppose 3, this one it is our 4. So both are also equal to one another. Another one it is our front, another one it is our back. Suppose I am taking front one, it is our 5, and back side it is our 6. So for which a cuboid having 6 number of faces, and out of 6 number of faces, on which face it is sitting, otherwise if you will consider it is standing, so that face it is called as our base. And this one it is the base, and here it is the top of surface. This one it is the top surface. Both base surface and top surface are equal to one another. Here it is the left side face, and here it is the right side face. Both are equal to one another. And the front face and the back face both are equal to one another. So overall we have a total 6 number of faces. So first one of the term I am going to introduce, and the name of that term, it is our lateral surface area. Repeating here, the name of the term it is our lateral surface area. See, lateral, L-A-T-E-R-A-L, lateral. Surface area. Everyone see, before we have to do the discussion of the lateral surface area, shortcutly it can be called it as our LSA, lateral, L for lateral, S for surface and A for our area. Before we have to do the discussion on regarding our lateral surface area, first I want to do the discussion of our lateral surface. First I want to do the discussion of the lateral surface. Everyone see, here I am erasing. Whenever the cuboid, it is kept in this type of a manner. Whenever the cuboid, it is kept in this type of a manner, it means this one, it is our base. Everyone see, this one, it is our base. This one, it is our base, and this one, it is our top. See, this one, it is our base, and this one, it is our top. So it means around the figure, how many number of faces are there? Around the figure. Otherwise, here I am showing you one of the structure of the cuboid. So whenever I am keeping it just like this one it is the base, this one it is the top, and the faces around the figure, it is these faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means these 4 number of faces are called as our lateral faces. Otherwise, this one it is the base, this one it is the edge of the base. See which faces are attached, otherwise joined to the sides of the base. See, this face joined with this side of the base, this face joined with this side of the base, this side, this face joined with this side of the base, this face joined with this side of the base. So it means the faces which are joined, with each of the side of the base, these faces we can call it as our lateral face. Otherwise, whenever I am keeping it just like this, these 4 faces are called as our lateral surface. These 4 faces are called as our lateral surface. And whenever I am keeping it just like this one it is the base, this one it is the top, and here it is the base. To the base, which faces are joined? This face attached, this face attached, this face attached, and this face attached. So for which togetherly all the surface we can call it as our lateral surface. So for which lateral surface means front one, back side one, right side one, and left side one. And remember another thing I am saying, whenever it is kept just like this type of a manner, whenever the cuboid it is kept just in this type of a manner, here it is the base, this one it is the base, its longest side we can call it as our length, its shortest side it is our breadth, and this one we can call it as our height. Understood perfectly? Now we want to find out the lateral surface area, it is equal to how much. So firstly I made you understand what do you mean by lateral surface. Lateral surface means the surface which are around the base, base it is here, around the base, which faces are there, around the base, and the top is here, around the base it is at here. So around this, which surface are there, so these are called as our lateral surface. So it means how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So togetherly the surface of the 4 faces are called as our lateral surface. And its area means sum of this area, togetherly we can call it as our lateral surface area. As the lateral surface means 4 faces around the figure. Lateral faces means 4 faces around the figure, for which lateral surface area, it means the area of the 4 faces which are around the cuboid. So for which one by one we have to find out the area of all the faces. See, here it is the L and this one it is the H. So for which the front face its area, see, for which the front face its area, it is your rectangular face. So for which its area, it is our L, this one it is our H. Front face its area, it will be our LH. And back side, front side and back side both are equal to one another. So for which front area it is this much, it means back side area also it will be our LH. And left side, see the left side, here it is in the left side, it is also this one, it is also rectangular shape. And in this rectangular shape, this one it is the B and this one it is our H, this one H, this one H. So it is one of the rectangular shape whose one side it is our B and another side it is our H. So for which its area, side area, it will be our BH. And the left side face and the right side face both having equal area, because both are equal to one another. So for which right side one, it is also BH. So it means it is the area of front one, it is the area of back side, it is the area of the left side, it is the area of the right side. So I said you lateral surface area, it means the sum of the area of the four faces around the cuboid. So for which whenever I am adding all, so togetherly whatever I am getting, it is the lateral surface area of the cuboid. And I am writing it LH, it means it is our 2 LH, BH, it is our 2 BH. And betterly I am writing by taking 2 it as the common within the bracket L plus B here into H. And another thing you have to remember, as it is the cuboid in the another word it can be called it as our rectangular box. Remember this much 2 whole into length plus breadth, it is the perimeter of the rectangle, otherwise perimeter of the base. Now here it is the perimeter of the base and into height. Also you can write it as this one, it will be the shortcutly writing perimeter of the base into height. Understood? Up to this perfectly understood? So it was all about our lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means around the cuboid. Now we will do the discussion of the total surface area. See, total surface area, shortcutly I am writing it as TSA. Total surface area. Total surface area means how many faces it has. It has how many faces. So you have to find out togetherly the sum of all the faces. It is called as our total surface area. Lateral surface area means 4 surface area. Whenever with the lateral surface area, whenever the top one and base area it is to be added. So totally whatever the result you are getting, that result we can call it as our total surface area of the cuboid. Otherwise in the another word one can say it as the total surface area of the cuboid. It means the area of the 6 surfaces, otherwise 6 faces of the cuboid, it is called as our total surface area. So for which here I am writing total surface area. See, total surface area, see, below one it is our LB, the area of the below one it is our LB, and above one it is our LB. L into B, length into breadth, upper one it is also length and breadth. Area of the base and area of the top both are equal. So for which LB, upper one it is LB. So for which togetherly I am writing it as the 2LB. And area of the left side it is our BH, right side it is also our BH. So for which togetherly I am writing it as 2 whole into BH. And area of the front one it is also same as the area of the back side one. Area of the front side one it is also same as the area of the back side one. Area of the front side it is our L, here it is H, L, here it is H. So for which one front face, its area it is our LH, LH, and the backside one, it is also our LH. So for which togetherly I am writing it as the 2 LH. By taking 2 it as the common, I can write it as betterly 2 whole into LB plus BH plus LH. And for your better understanding, in place of LH I am writing it as the HL, both having the same meaning. So for which you have to remember just like this: one it is our length, another one it is our breadth, another one it is your height. Keyword having. Shortcutly remember 2 whole into within the bracket LB, then after BH, then after you have to remember HL. In the cyclic order you have to remember. And the last one, it is our volume. Last one, it is our volume. Here I am writing volume. Actually, the meaning of the volume is how much space does it occupy. How much space does it occupy? It is called as our volume. And how to calculate the volume? It will be how much? So the space it is at here it is one of the cube it is at here. Whenever you need cube, it means cube where the each of the side of the cube it will be our one unit. It is to be put inside the solid. So then after I will find how many such type of a cube can completely fill it. This one it is called as our volume. Suppose I am putting one of the cube here, all are cube. See, all are cube. So first I will check how many cube can completely fill it. First I will check how many cube can completely fill the base level of the cuboid. The base level of the cuboid. The base level of the cuboid can be filled by how many number of cube of unit length, and it was checked and finally it was said to you the base of the cuboid can be filled by L into B, this number of cube of unit length. Then after here it is one of the height, as the height it is h, so for which single level L into B it will be required, for which the height it is L. For up to LH level the number of cube can fill the total box, it will be our L into B into H. So togetherly I can call it as our volume. It will be our LB into H. And also shortcutly one can remember LB means it is our area of the base, into height. Remember one thing, lateral surface area, it is related to the perimeter. It is related to the perimeter into height, lateral surface area. But the total surface area, volume, it having the relationship with the area of the base into height. Area of the base into height, it is our volume, and the perimeter of the base into height, it is our lateral surface area. Now I am going to do the discussion where it is to be applied. Listen, whenever you are getting the question just like this, that in the room it is your cuboidal structure, and room is to be colored. Room is to be colored means 4 of its walls are to be colored. So for which in that case 4 of the wall means it is our lateral surface area. Up to this clearly understood? And whenever one is saying that one of the water tank it is there, and water tank all of its sides are to be colored. All of its sides, it means all the 4 lateral surfaces along with upper face and the bottom face, all the faces are to be colored. In that case you have to find out the total surface area. Lateral surface area means 4-sided related, and whenever total all faces related thing it will come, it means you need to find out the total surface area. And volume, regarding the volume I am saying, Regarding the volume, I am saying one of the important thing you just have to remember. Volume it will be useful. Listen, volume it will be useful. Suppose this one it is iron cuboidal structure. Suppose it is iron cuboidal structure, and one it is this one it is the iron cuboidal structure, and one it is keeping it as the another one it is our, suppose it is the silver cuboidal structure. Iron cuboidal structure, another one it is our silver cuboidal structure. One is asking to you to make this type of a structure. To make this type of a structure, how much iron it is to be required and how much the silver it is to be required. So in such type of a case, first you have to find out the volume. Then after you have to check for one of the cubic length. For 1 cubic length, it means 1 unit cube. For 1 unit cube, how much it will be required? How much the weight of the iron it will be required, so that how much the volume you are getting togetherly, you can find out the total how much iron it will be required. In the same way, suppose one is making this type of silver cuboidal. So one is asking how much the silver it is to be required to make the structure of this type of structure, this type of shape and size. So in that case, first you need to find out always 1 unit cube. It needs how many silver, so that for the total structure how much silver it is to be required. Remember, whenever the question it is asking just like this, that you have to find out the total weight of the iron cuboid, otherwise total weight of the silver cuboid. In that case, remember, in that case always it is to be given 1 unit cube, its weight it will be how much, otherwise 1 unit cube of the silver, its weight it will be how much. This type of structure, iron weight it is more than this type of silver cuboid, also this type of gold cuboid. So for which always the weight of the unit cube it will differ from material to material, just like iron, silver, then after gold. So for which it is to be given to you 1 unit cube, its weight it will be how much. Otherwise, how much the material required to make 1 unit cube. 1 unit cube, whenever the weight it will be given, you can find out the total weight of the iron cuboid. Otherwise, it may be our silver, otherwise it may be our gold cuboid. And remember, material required means before that you have to find out the volume. Remember, suppose one of the example I am giving, suppose I am getting the volume, it will be about 100 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube volume you are getting. Always it is to be given, and whenever anyone is asking to you, that you have to find out the total weight of this iron cuboidal, it will be how much. Before that it is to be given 1 centimeter cube, its weight it will be how much. Weight of 1 centimeter cube, suppose it will be given to you 0.5. Suppose it will be given that it will be given to you, suppose it will be our 5 grams, suppose given 1 centimeter cube, it will be 5 grams, suppose it is given. So for 100 centimeter cube, only you have to multiply with the 5 gram. 1 centimeter cube this much, for which 100 centimeter it will be how much. Understood? Up to this understood? And whatever the cuboid, we did the discussion, this cuboid it will be our solid cube. It means solid cube means total completely filled within that cuboid. Nothing can be kept. It means totally it is made up of total outer and inner, total completely made up of our that material. Iron, otherwise silver, otherwise gold. Up to this clearly understood? Now we will do the discussion whenever the cuboid it is made up of thin plate. It means just like our sweet box. Thin plate, otherwise it is our aluminum box also. Whenever the thickness of the plate it is very negligible, otherwise very thin. In that case, how to find out all the lateral surface area, total surface area and volume? It may be outer, it may be our inner, how to find. Then after we will do the discussion that the cuboid where the sides are the plate, it is of a thick plate, the plate having some thickness. In that situation, how to find out all of these things. Understood? See, here it is one of the cuboid, which it is our hollow cuboid. It means inside the cube it will be our vacant. Inside the cuboid it is totally vacant, where you can keep the water, where you can keep any of the other thing. The inside one it is totally completely vacant, just like our this type of a box, just like our this type of a box, where each of the side it is made up of a thin plate, very thin. Otherwise the width of the plate it is very negligible. Understood? So in this type of a case, listen, you may color the outer side, otherwise you may color the inner side, both having the same meaning. Whenever the plate, its thickness it is very negligible, whenever the thickness it is very negligible, so in that situation how to find? Remember, it has two lateral faces. See, outer lateral faces, also inner lateral faces. Whenever it is totally empty, just like a hollow means outer, here it is one of the lateral face, and here it is inner, it is another lateral surface. Lateral surfaces, here it is the lateral surface. So now I am writing the lateral surface area formula for the outer, also for the inner. Remember, for this type of structure, outer lateral surface area, and inner lateral surface area, both having the same meaning. It means whenever this type of water tank it is there, one is saying that outer coloring and inner coloring, both having the same meaning. Whenever this type of a thing you are getting, where the thickness it is very negligible and the plate it is made up of a thin plate, so for which in that type of a situation, the outer surface area and inner surface area both having the same formula, LV whole into H, both having the same formula. And remember, total surface area, it means it is our outer total surface area, otherwise it may be our inner total surface area, outer total surface area, otherwise inner total surface area. The formula it will be same. It means LV 2 whole into LV plus BH plus HL. Remember? And here the volume means, everyone see carefully, volume means here everything it is to be filled within that cube, that figure. It means within the cuboid how much thing we can fill. It means it may be our liquid means water, milk, otherwise any of the fluid item, otherwise any of the material just like solid, also it can be kept within that space. So for which here the volume means, here it is the volume, it is the single volume, not inner, not outer. So here the volume is, see, the volume is length into breadth into height. And remember one thing, how much water can fill the cuboid, that much milk also fill the can fill the cuboid, also that much any of the other liquid also can fill this one. So for which to get the volume formula, it is our LVH. Whenever anyone is asking to you, you just have to find out the capacity. You have to find out the capacity of the cuboid. Always capacity can be for just like we can enter to the room whenever we will open the door. In the same way, capacity can be obtained whenever we will find out the volume. Whenever we are getting the volume, see the common formula, remember, here you have to remember, after getting the volume, if the volume it is in the form of the decimeter cube, so it means 1 of the decimeter cube, it will be our 1 liter, remember all these, and if it is in meter, 1 meter cube, it will be our 1000 liters, and whenever it will be in the centimeter cube, it will be your 1 by 1000 liter. So it may be our decimeter, otherwise it may be our meter, otherwise it may be in our centimeter. For every case you can find out the capacity easily. So capacity means how much liquid item it can hold. It can hold how much liquid item. So for which you can find out the capacity by taking the help of our volume. And another thing, remember, suppose one will say that, sir, just like the any type of a liquid you may keep, always the capacity it will remain same. How much the water can fill, also that much milk also can fill. So that much any of the other oil also can be filled. Also it is in the same capacity. But whenever I am keeping the different types, just like gold, I will keep the gold within that thing, and I will keep the iron in that space. Otherwise, I may keep the silver in that space. So in that case, suppose anyone will ask to you, you have to find out the weight. Shortcutly writing WT for weight. So in that situation, always it is to be given to you. Suppose it will be in the meter. One it will be given that 1 meter cube its weight it will be how much. 1 meter cube its weight it will be how much. Suppose it will be in the centimeter cube. Always it is to be given that 1 centimeter cube its weight it will be how much. Once you are getting the weight of 1 centimeter cube, otherwise 1 meter cube, otherwise 1 of the decimeter cube, it means you can find out the total weight after getting the volume. First you have to find out the volume. It may be our capacity, otherwise it may be our weight. Everything can be obtained by taking the help of the volume. First you have to find out the volume. Volume it is your how much. Suppose you are getting volume, it is equal to 200 meter cube. Its weight it will be how much? Iron cat, how much its weight it is to be. So for which 200 meter cube, 1 meter cube weight it will be how much? So then after 200 into 1 meter cube weight it is to be how much? It is to be multiplied. Then after we can find out the total weight of this cuboidal structure. Understood? I hope perfectly understood up to this. Next our discussion it is to be done on regarding our cuboid where it is made up of thick plate. Another thing remember, suppose upper one it is empty. In this case, suppose the upper one it is empty. So it means we have to color the 5 surfaces. Here the formula it is, this one it is to be excluded. So for which in this case the formula it is to be this surface. It means lateral surface along with the back surface. So for which the formula it is to be just like this, 2 whole into, here it is LH, 2 whole into BH, but here it is only 1 LB it is to be added. Only 1 LB, that one it is our base. Because the upper one it is to be excluded. If it is to be included, it should be our 2LB. By taking the directly 2 it as the common, I can say that the total formula. Understood? Now everyone, you just have to see now the discussion it is to be done on on the figure of the cuboid where each of the sides, it means otherwise the plate having some thickness, it means plate having some thickness. Previously it is our length, this one it is our breadth, and this one it is our height. This one height means this one height, this one height, and this one our height. And this one length means this one length, this one length, this one length. This one breadth means this one breadth, this one breadth, this one breadth, also this one it is our breadth. See carefully, whenever it is made up of a thick plate, otherwise having some width, the plate having some width, previous one having no width, otherwise negligible width. But here whatever the plate it is required to make the structure just like this. Remember, this one it is the hollow, means empty. This one it is just like empty. This one it is just like the empty. Previous one, here the plate it is very thin plate. But now the plate it is having some thickness, So whenever it having some thickness, remember one thing, this type of solid having two types of a length, two types of a breadth, and two types of height. It means one it is for outer, another one it is our interior. See, outer, all these are given, it is the outer. Everyone see, this one it is the length. Everyone see carefully, very easy thing. This one it is the length. Whenever it is some thickness, everyone see. Suppose it is having some thickness and it is having some thickness. See, thickness. Suppose the thickness it is x. Suppose the thickness it is x. See carefully and say total length, outer length it is our L. But whenever thickness it having some thickness, it means this much x. Suppose thickness it is x and this one it is x. So it means how much it is deducted from the total length? From the total length, here it is x it is reduced and x it is, here it is another x. It means total 2x it is to be reduced whenever I need to find out the inner length. So for which here I am writing, see, outer length it is our, see, outer length it is our L, outer breadth it is our B, height it is our h. Now I want to find out inner. See, so here it is seen for the length calculation. For the length calculation, here it is clearly seen that the inside length it is 2x, it is less. Here it is the width it is x. Here it is the width it is x. So here the length it is to be L minus 2x. And in the same way, here it is the breadth, it is how much? Whenever it having some thickness, also it having some thickness. So it means a breadth also can be reduced by 2 times of the width, otherwise 2x. Otherwise 2x, whenever I need to find out the inner breadth. Inner breadth this one, and the height. See, here the height it is this much, but whenever it is also having thickness, it also having some thickness. It means from the height also, see, from the height also 2 times of the width it is to be reduced. For which height it will be our h minus 2x. So it will be our new length of the inner, new breadth of the inner, new width of the new height of the another. And listen, in this type of a situation, whenever it is to be asked that you have to do the coloring of the outside, it means outside related, it means lateral surface area. Outside means outer. Lateral surface area, formula it is to be 2 whole into L plus B whole into H. But the same thing whenever it is to be asked for inner, it means your formula is to be changed to 2 whole into L1 plus B1 whole into H1. The same lateral surface area, here it is the outer, here it is inner. Example, it is just like this. You have to color the water tank, and water tank it is made up of the bricks. So it means 100% it having some width. And whenever it will ask to you total surface area Total surface area means total 6 number of surfaces you are coloring. Here the formula it is to be 2 whole into LB plus BH plus HL, and here in this case you have to put the L1 B1 plus B1 H1 plus H1 L1. So it means lateral surface area regarding thing we did the discussion, total surface area related thing, all these things we are discussed. Now we will do the discussion of the volume. Everyone see the volume. Listen, here it is. Listen, the volume means whenever it is made up of thick plate, it means inside how much thing I can keep. That one it is one volume. And another volume is volume of the thickness, otherwise volume of the structure, volume of the cuboid. Nothing is there. The total structure it is made up of iron. So what is the volume of the iron plate? Okay, so first I am showing to you what is the volume. Volume means where we can keep, in the interior region we can keep. So for which its volume will be where I can keep the water, where I can keep the milk. So it means always our inner volume it is to be calculated. So for which our volume it will be L1 B1 into H1. No need to count for the outer volume, because only where we will keep in the inside. Inside means inner volume we have to find out. Inner volume means inner length, inner breadth into inner height. Now we will do the discussion how to find out the volume of the material. Remember, volume of the material, volume of a plate, otherwise volume of a material used. Volume of the materials used. It is made up of, suppose this type of structure it is made up of the wood, otherwise this one it is made up of the gold, otherwise silver, otherwise iron. How much the metals used, how much metals it is used. So for which the volume of that metal you can find, volume of the metal you can find out always from the outer volume. Whenever from the outer volume you are subtracting the inner volume. It is just like the situation, it is just like one of the box it is there, and here it is one of the box. From the box here it is filled with the ice cream, but that much ice cream we have taken away. It means from the outer, here it is just like inner cuboidal we have taken away. It means inner cuboidal structure we have taken away. So for which only the cavity is left. So for which the formula it is outer volume minus inner volume. So outer volume it is our L, B, H, and inner volume it will be our L1, B1 and H1. So for which this related whatever the question it may come, I can give the guarantee with these all the formula. It means a solid, otherwise it may be made up of a thin plate, otherwise it may be made up of a thick plate. All the question can be solved. Understood? So today the discussion is this much. In my next video we will do the discussion of our cube related thing. It means how to find out lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of the cube. Okay, discussion it is this much. Once again in the next class we will get together. Bye bye.